Look, wait. Oh, you can't leave, nigga.
Yo, what's up, JLPs? Currently on the way to the beach. On the way to the beach. With the regular boys, we got Chris right here. Subscribe. We about to finish the Adicto video. Yes, sir!
My bad, I'm not gonna work.
Hey, where are we going?
Let's go. Los compas aquí, Dieta Vibes.
Vamos para la playa. ¡Oh! Bien alegres los del barranco. Me siento arriba, ando volando.
Yo, what up, guys? We right here in New York. We're right here going wild.
On the sweet bread.
You want an egg white? No cheese, right?
Put one on mine too. No cheese, no. Is that requesón or what type of cheese is that?
That's feta.
Huh?
Feta cheese.
Olive oil. Salt and pepper? And a little bit of vinegar. You put the water on the bag.
That's my next time I'm going in there, I'm getting raw and grilled in there.
That's what I do.
Yeah?
I do that when I'm being like like when I'm just like not giving a fuck. I get diced, grilled, and whole raw.
Oh, raw? No,
Big raw
ones.
There.
Alright, bye.
Nice meeting you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Today I had to set up with Subway. My pizza got stuck on top of the cardboard, guys. Oh, we didn't bring a mask on.
For what?
You're gonna be in the middle of the ocean, bro. I still brought mine, no.
Hey, throw the big AP rock.
Street my records, homies. Follow the way, no cat. Follow the wave or get left behind, homies.
I'm gonna check it. Look at.
What's up, JLPs? We're out here in Rancho Cucamonga.
Yo, what up, JLPs? We out here, you know, on the water, in the water. That's my water, no.
Just need 2 minutes, and then we'll get underway. Start a little pre-departure safety.
Okay, sounds good, boss.
Flip in. They're up underneath the benches on the fly bridge. Go on the bow. They're also the bow on the benches. So when you hear right there a VHF radio, you just push the top. Mayday, Odyssey. It's like 911, okay? Ladder going up.
I hear chilling. A butt naked one. I want the butt naked one.
What a beautiful scene.
Yo, JLPs, what's going on? What's going on? Hey, we should take some flicas right now too.
Hey, shark, fool. You missed 3 dolphins. Dolphins? Yeah. Sharks. Oh no, they're dolphins. Look.
No la puedo yo dejar. Get on camera, go.
6.5 hours later.
Hey, man, you know what's going on? Good advice, man. Chan, we trust. JLP,
We're at a video shoot, JLPs, and we're ready to go home.
Okay, todo bien, man. Te quiero mucho,
Hey, JLPs, my boy Samuelon and I took one too many shots. Hold up, JLPs, you guys are gonna come out in my vlog. Hey, what's up, guys? We're right here with the JLPs right here. Compa Fran, Samuelon, chambeando, viejo. Ready to go home.
Man, I'm still off. Cut your hair from your throat and get it mailed off.
Hey, JLPs, we somewhere by the Atlantic Ocean. Some
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
that we film a music video. We spent like, let me check the phone. 80 racks on the music video, no cap, man. All that, yeah.
You got a friend in me.
We somewhere in the middle of the ocean, man. Hey, shout out JLPCs, Fuerza Regida, all that, man. John, we trust. Hey, music video on the way, no cap. Yo, what's up, JLPs? What's going on? We about to go bike riding with the squad right now. Subscribe. JLPs, Wax is saying.
I got 100 on it. I can beat anyone in this car. Bowling.
Alright, I got 100 on it too. What's up, Toro?
100 on it too.
Why are you so confident, Toro? I've never bowled before, but I don't know. I'm just a sports guy. Come on, bro.
So we're on the way to pick up the bikes already, JLPs. We're on the way to pick up the bikes. Let's get it. Come Miguel, where you at?
We're not biking with Chris?
Yo, JLPs, Chris is not answering the phone.
Please leave your message for 3.
That was a Ford, huh? Oh no, huh? I'm gonna knock. Yo. Hey, Chris.
Yo, what's up?
Who's this? Look at the wrong number?
Who's this? No, but
This one told me to turn that off.
I don't know, nobody's here, huh?
Wait for him to come out and break us.
Oh, he's not here.
No?
Yeah, I got. Well, we'll get your share out of them. Why is it too high? Want to try them out?
Let's get him again. Okay, I got it.
Oh, but don't move it like that. How do you gotta move it? When you're riding. ¿O neta? Si no lo trabas. Yeah. Shake my head, shake my head.
That's number one problem as a kid.
My head,
and then the chain goes out and we're not pedaling as fast.
Oh, you gotta do it like little by little. Don't break it.
What? Here?
¿Sí lo que sí? Ponte reloj. Ahí está. Oh, heavier. Watch out with the handlebars. That's yours, huh? Nah. Yeah, I chose all of them.
But I told you which one I like more.
The DBX, I like the DBX one.
Oh, that one's good too.
I like it, but this one's very nice. Hey, JLP, it looks like we just hit a lick and we flossed it on the street for a little bit.
We tested it out just to see if we want to take them.
Yeah, see if they're worth it.
That's what he sent me.
Let's go, Toro. Hold on, let me cut this smart ass. Let's go, though. I don't know. Hey, send your location. Send your location, Miguel. How far are you? Meet you there, Fierro. Alright, meet you there, Fierro. Miguel! Hey, Miguel, there's something in the front. Watch, check. Go, we're good. No, like, we had some, like, little camera. Did it fall off? Check. What? In the front. In the front. It was like a GoPro.
You guys ready or what?
No.
Gloves just feel, you just feel skinnier, Toro, wearing gloves.
What did I do? Did I rip it? No.
Yeah, don't rip that. That's to keep the gloves juntos.
I ripped it.
You ripped it?
You kept that? Always? Oh, hell yeah. We doing this. JLP, are you ready?
Let's go. Ready?
It's bad. $2,000? This is a $10,000 bike.
You're gonna see right now, they're doing hops.
Bikes cost $10,000?
Yeah,
For what? For what?
I don't know, because it's lighter.
You have bad jogs.
Look at the shot.
Hey, you left the water?
Compa Toro.
Oh, who's right here on top? Hey, who got the water? Walk. We'll be back, Martin. We're going to go get the sweater so we can sweat.
A few moments later.
Come on, JLPs. Come on, JLPs. Oh, look on that one. Hey.
Just go. Just lean backwards when you're going down.
Ugh, not going for that one. See, that's the one I can't hit right there.
It's my first time biking ever, like ever. I used to bike on my block. Just roll back or what?
Roll down. I feel good.
Why, no pushing? We ain't stopping until we get there or what?
Yeah. You're leaving already?
Yeah. Alright, man. Alright, dog. Sure, bro. What time you come out time?
This time.
Alright, brother. We want to see you more often.
Alright.
Let's roll.
What's up, JLP?
Oh, boy. My brakes failed. Oh, yeah. My brake.
Yeah. Alright, on. Hey, were you okay though, dog?
It didn't hurt. I'm tired. What's up, JLPs?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Saludos, viejo. It's Big 45's birthday. We came to him since we started.
The garage right here, viejo.
Garage. 4 years ago, remember?
4 years ago, my 21st, viejo.
Happy birthday, 45, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. Lil Kev. Don't hide from me, Lil Kev. A ver, ¿qué tiene para que le diga a mi mamá?
Chiles.
Ajá.
Sí.
A ver, ¿qué más? ¿Qué más? Habanero, ¿verdad? Habanero. Chile manzano, ma. A ver, ¿qué más? Tomatillos, ¿verdad? Oh, chiles de árbol. Ok.
Es hecho en casa.
Hecho en casa, pan de trigo hecho en casa, ma. Está pues. Ok, bye. Ok, me da 2 bolsas de esas.
We are here in my block, and this lady came from. Oye, ¿de dónde viene?
Los Ángeles.
Viene de Los Angeles, guys. She comes to bring out bread. It's some fire. The bread flag.
Hungry, that's why I'm buying a lot.
Pura vacuna.
Es que ahorita no puedo probar eso.
Oh.
Es que estoy a dieta, por eso estoy agarrando acá el de trigo.
Ah, pues te voy a dar mi dieta para que puedas comer de todo.
Ajá. Mañana, por eso compré 5, mañana le vamos a dar fuerte. Está bien bueno, Support your local bread, lady. Flour guy, fruta guy. A ver, ¿esa es de calabaza? ¿Es diferente que el otro?
Sí.
Ok, me da eso también. Ok, ya está,
Gracias.
Adiós.
Gracias.
Adiós. Okay, try it out. I want you to get a big piece because I'm not gonna eat this. It's you. It's only you, Loki. You're the only one. Mom?
Bro, it's fire.
This is sweet. You wanna try it?
You just need to get your
Nutella. Cuando me siento el tiro hay que hacer algo. De trauma, ¿dónde anda? Para armar en la parranda.